Welcome to my channel. In this channel I produce videos on advancing technologies, job vacancies in India and abroad, and scholarships and fellowships from different universities, organizations and governments. In the present video I would like to talk about Robert Bosch hires 2500 employees in India this year. Robert Bosch Engineering and Business Solutions (RBEI), the largest offshore development center for Bosch globally, plans to hire 2,500 employees this year to further strengthen its growth momentum and cater to the demand for niche solutions across industries. RBEI, which currently employs over 20,000 employees in the country, will recruit 1,000 freshers and 1,500 experienced professionals over the course of 2021. Last year, the company witnessed unprecedented business momentum at RBEI in India in what was a difficult year for all of us. This was owing to the phenomenal passion and cohesion of the teams who were driven to build some of the industry's best technology solutions for their clients. RBI President and Managing Director Dattatri Salagame told the Press Trust of India. He added that in 2021 the company will hire in areas of mobility, embedded IT, digital and new age technologies. Salagame said the company is hiring strategy looks at primarily replacing attrition plus net additions, and at its peak hiring the best of business growth. It has done net additions of about 1,000 per year. RBI plans to recruit fresh graduates from premier institutions and colleges across the country, including IITs, NITs and IIITs. For lateral hires, RBEI will adopt a skill and competency based approach to tap the bright talent from the market. The new employees will be deployed at projects based out of Bangalore and Coimbatore. Bangalore based RBEI is a 100% owned subsidiary of Robert Bosch GmbH. It is one of the world's leading global suppliers of technology and services, offering end-to-end engineering, IT and business solutions. It has R&D centers in Bangalore, Coimbatore, Vietnam, Mexico and Poland. RBI is the biggest R&D center globally for Bosch. Initially, they were set up as captive center for Bosch entities worldwide. Now, their services and solutions are being used by companies around the world. Their nearshore centers are in Vietnam, Mexico and Poland. What sets them apart from traditional IT service providers is their USP. They have the expertise and experience in all three domains: sensors, software and services. Salagame said, the company undertakes end-to-end solutions that enable businesses around the globe move from the traditional to digital, or improve businesses by introducing the digital element to their products and processes, he added. They definitely have the leverage of advantage India and Indian talent that is known to be flexible, dynamic and possessing a breadth of knowledge. Indian talent is predominantly known for software development, and given the advantages of their premier educational institutions, mid-sized IT, digital companies and startup ecosystem, they have a good supply of digital skills, artificial intelligence or machine learning, cyber security, blockchain and the likes. Salagame said, the flexibility and breadth around the knowledge of software, hardware, electronics and digital is what sets the talent landscape apart and serves to be a competitive advantage, he added. Get ready to apply and prepare well. It's a multinational company with higher pace. Wait for notification. I hope this video is very advantageous for the job aspirants, and if it is very informative, like, share and subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you very much. Wish you all the success. May God bless you. See you.